All processes that attract a payment will have a system-generated invoice or invoices, as well as the accepted payment channels to be used. As such, you should not make any additional payments to facilitate the processing of your application. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our tutorial on the alien registration process on ArdhiSasa. This process involves a non-Kenyan individual or foreign national enlisting on ArdhiSasa so as to transact on various services offered on the platform. The individual intending to register must meet certain requirements before initiating this process. That is a valid alien ID number, a valid Kenyan phone number, and a valid email address. It is key to note that currently, in most cases, the system does not accommodate for the use of foreign numbers during registration. We advocate for the use of a Kenyan phone number. However, plans are underway to allow aliens who only have foreign phone numbers to register as well. Additionally, in case an alien does not have an alien ID but has a valid passport, they'll need to reach out to a customer care agent on the platform who will create a ticket for them, and they will be guided on the alternate registration process. To begin with, you'll access the platform by typing ardhisasa.lands.go.ke and select Enter. On the landing page, navigate to the Register button on the top left-hand corner and select it. You'll then be navigated to the ID verification page. Here, you'll first select the identification type. In our case, it is Alien ID, and then enter the Alien ID number as it appears on the corresponding document. Select the Verify button. Upon doing so, additional fields will populate. You'll then fill in personal information, that is your ID serial number, mother's maiden name, your first name, other name where applicable, and your surname, your sex, your physical and postal address, as well as your nationality. It's worth noting that fields with an asterisk sign alongside them are mandatory fields to fill, failure to which will not be able to successfully complete this process. Also, as far as the names are concerned, we advise that you enter each name in the appropriate text box. If you are satisfied with the information you've provided, select the Verify button, and you'll be navigated to the phone number verification page. You'll then enter your Kenyan phone number in the correct format as it is portrayed on the hint shown. Upon doing so, select the Get OTP button, and an OTP code will be sent to your phone number. Type in the OTP code in the text box provided and then select Verify. You'll then be navigated to the email address verification page. The flow of operations is similar to that of the previous page, so kindly follow the steps appropriately and then select the Verify button. And you'll be navigated to the Set Your Password page. Here, you are required to set a password which you will use to access your ArdhiSasa account each time you log in. So key in your preferred password in the text box provided and repeat the same in the next text box to confirm it. Kindly make sure your password meets all the stated criteria. That is, it must consist at least 8 characters, it must contain at least one number, it must contain at least one letter in capital case, it must contain at least one letter in small case, and it must contain at least one special character. Once you've entered your preferred password in the fields provided, select the Register button. On doing so, you'll receive a message on the registered phone number and email address detailing the successful registration with a unique ArdhiSasa ID number, and on your screen, you'll automatically be navigated to your login page. Kindly key in your alien ID number or ArdhiSasa ID number, enter the password you had set during registration, and then select the Continue button. Upon doing so, an OTP code will be sent to the phone number you provided, as well as your email address, and once you've received the OTP code, type in the 6-digit code on the text box provided, select the Login button, and you'll be navigated to your account dashboard. At this point, you have not finished setting up your account yet. To do so, select the Account tab on the left panel of your screen, and you'll be navigated to your account details page. This page lists your account information, however, it is not complete. Here, you'll first be required to upload your profile picture, and as you can see, it needs to meet certain requirements for eligibility. You should upload a colored passport size photo, which must be an exact true representation of yourself. Additionally, your profile picture background should be white. The maximum file size is 1 megabyte. The original image may be any resolution, as long as the file size is under 1 megabyte. It's worth noting that you should be very careful when selecting your desired profile picture, because you cannot change the image afterwards at will. Changing it will require you to reach out to a customer care agent on the platform who will initiate the process for you. To upload your image, select the Browse Files button. You'll be navigated to your local storage, then select your desired image. Once you do so, select Save, and then select the Confirm button, and your profile picture will be displayed on the featured area. The next section is Security Questions, where you'll select on the already provided questions and key in the appropriate answers. In the event that you're unable to access your account, maybe because the system flagged some malicious activity, you'll be given an opportunity to recover your account, provided you give the correct answers to the security questions. Once you've provided the information required, select on the Save button. You'll then be prompted to affirm whether you want to set this as the security questions. Select Yes. You'll then proceed to the Add Signature section, where you'll be required to append your signature. There are a number of options on how to do so. To begin with, there's this signing area here, as you can see, which allows you to sign with your computer mouse if you're using a desktop or a laptop, and alternatively, with a stylus pen or an index finger if you're using a phone or tablet to access the platform. You also have the other option of signing with another device. Upon selecting this option, a pop-up box will appear displaying 4 alternative options for signing. For more information on the available signing options on ArdhiSasa, kindly view our YouTube tutorial explaining the same through the link featured above the signing area or in this video's description. In case you opt to sign on the featured signing area, as is the case in this demonstration, you'll place the mouse cursor on the signing area, press and hold the left click button, and then go ahead and append your signature. If satisfied, you can select Save. However, if not pleased with it, there's the option of removing it by selecting Clear and then appending the signature once more to your liking. There's a pop-up notification that will appear requiring you to affirm that you want to submit this as your signature, then select Yes. A key aspect to note is that the signature you provide must be an accurate representation of your actual signature. This is because the ministry staff use it as a reference point in validating your identity as a signatory in various applications you might be involved in during the course of your interaction with the platform. We'll then move on to the final section, which is Add Identification Documents. You'll select the identification type. In this case, it is Alien ID. You'll also key in the identification number of said document. Lastly, you'll upload said document from your local machine or device by selecting the Choose File button. Select the preferred document on the dialog box that appears, then select the Open button, and the document will appear on the right. You have the option of removing the document you uploaded in case you did it erroneously, and you can upload the right one. If you're satisfied thus far, you'll select the Submit Documents button, and the document will be listed underneath. To view the document, you can select the Featured button and you'll be redirected to a page containing the document. You might as well upload a digital copy of your passport through the same procedure at your own discretion. That's it for this ArdhiSasa tutorial on the alien registration process. Feel free to give feedback on this tutorial in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and select the bell button to get notifications on new videos as and when we post them. Kindly follow us on our social media handles as well. That is at ArdhiSasa_KE on Twitter and Instagram, and at ArdhiSasa on Facebook. Thanks for watching and goodbye.